Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm trying to fit some things into this little Chanel mini nano bag in the lilac color, in the lambskin leather, very soft luxurious leather, and I've shown this on my channel before. So I have a wedding and I want to see what I can fit into, because I'm trying to decide whether to take this bag or another one. But I haven't used this bag ever since I got it, so that's what I'm trying to see what I need. It's going to be a garden party, so I don't really need a lot for the bag. But yeah, let's see what we can fit in. So I've got this Nuxe hand cream. It's a very nice hand cream. It's got honey, precious oils and vitamin E. Honey, precious oils and vitamin E. So in order to fit this into the bag, I'm going to have to expand the bag sideways, which is going to distort the shape a bit, but it's okay. So I'm going to have to make use of all the space, so you can see what it looks like when it's in there. So I've still got a little bit of space for a few more things. I always like to go with a lip gloss, even though we're still going to be wearing masks, but I'll put that in there. I like to put on lip gloss. So this is an oud perfume, so obviously I'll wear perfume before I leave, but I just like to touch up now and then. So I'm going to use this, put this in my bag, and that can go in as well, as you can see. So I need some cash. I've already got my card in there because this bag has 4 slots. It has 4 card slots, 2 on each side. So I'm just going to put some more cash in my bag, just in case I need it. So with the traditional weddings, they usually ask us to put some money into a tray. So yeah, I always like to have some money in my bag. I don't like to be embarrassed. Yeah, and then also some tissue, because it might be a bit sunny. I might need to dab my face. But in order to put this in, I'm going to have to squeeze that, bend it. So it's called making use of all space that you have. So let's see if we can close the bag. It looks okay actually. That's what it looks like. It has a very long chain which I've already doubled. So I'm just going to wear it this way, carry it this way, hold it this way. Yeah, so got everything I think I need to put in the bag, and I'll probably take this one. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye guys.